First of all, thanks for all your comments and thanks for your interest in the topic of genetics and heritage. This is a short update video I promised I would make. So this is a new kit I sent over to MyHeritage, and this are the results. Spoiler, it's nearly the same result, but well, some little changes. But anyways, let's watch just to complete the whole progress the video once again. Nice. What is this? So let's check the map once again with this update video, and yeah, you can see there the new state, or the new heritage realm, we can say, is Sweden. England, yeah, 2.8%, well, but the Baltic is I think risen to 8.7%. This is a new MyHeritage kit. I will check other companies, and yeah, in the comments you mentioned one company. Maybe I will check it out later, but the next videos I will make is for my guitar topic, and we will have some unpackings. And I'm 40 now, and my midlife crisis is how to learn e-guitar playing. And yes, this will be the content of the next videos, but from time to time I will check these genetics topic, because I like this topic and I like great genes. But anyways, I hope you have a nice week, and I hope you have fun with your own DNA results, and maybe you can check out some other companies, and yeah, well, if you checked them out, you can write some comments below this video or the other one. And anyways, have a nice week. Bye.